Come on. Come on. Let's go. Emma. Come on. I know. You got to get up.
In the early hours of July 25th, 2025, police responded to a major car crash when that sleepy princess nearly destroyed an entire building.
Is it just the one vehicle?
There was a silver Mustang that was driving really slow. So I just came from downtown. And as I was approaching, there was a silver Mustang kind of crawling.
She breathed.
And they circled back and drove by again. So I don't know if they just witnessed it or if they were involved in how she came, because she came through two walls. Look at that.
I see that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Hey, sweetie, do you want me to call anybody for you?
This is my witness. She's not bleeding.
I believe there's a female inside the car.
Hey, we might want to be careful with this too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, why don't you step out here?
Yeah, I'm going to stand right here, okay?
Does anything hurt at all? No? We're going to get you out of the car, okay?
4043, we're going to be at 615 8th Avenue West so far.
Huh? Yeah.
And for vehicle is inside of
Hey, come on,
this
grab my hand.
structure here, and is there going to be structural damage to vehicle that's notified today?
Okay.
828.
This episode is brought to us by Sergeant Pepper Spray. Be sure to check the link below, subscribe to his channel, and give him the credit he deserves.
This is the moment that should stop everyone cold. A single vehicle has crashed through two walls, causing structural damage, and yet the driver appears physically unharmed. From a legal standpoint, that contrast matters. No visible injuries doesn't mean no internal trauma, and it certainly doesn't mean no responsibility. Officers are already shifting gears here, treating this not just as a crash scene, but as a potential criminal investigation. So here's the question. How does someone walk away without a scratch after nearly destroying a building?
I got your arm, okay?
Yeah.
I just need you to take a step. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, come over here.
She can sit back in her.
Okay, if you don't mind.
So far.
Are these the only two here?
Yeah, she's a witness. One car involved.
Okay. Are you okay? Do you feel hurt anywhere? Okay. We have ambulance here. Do you want to see them? Are you sure? How old are you?
19.
Okay, so we're gonna have them look at you anyway, just to make sure you're okay, alright? You have an ID on you by chance? Driver's license?
In my purse.
Is it in the car? Okay, she's right.
Hi there. What's your name? Anything else from us, buddy?
Is she declining?
She's declining, yeah.
Standing out the car.
Not a scratch on her.
She just doesn't have a scratch on her right now. That's crazy.
Well, it was a third.
All right. Well, that's it. If she's declining, thank you.
822.
Your address? Emma. Emma.
Hey,
Emma. No, that's not even your car. Go sit over here. Go over there. You see that? Go sit.
I'm trying to figure out who's getting in my car.
That's not your car. That's your car.
Pay close attention to Emma's behavior right here. She's confused about which car is hers, repeatedly fixated on getting it back, and clearly struggling to understand what just happened. In DUI cases, these moments matter. Officers aren't just listening to words, they're watching comprehension, memory, and emotional regulation. This isn't about attitude, it's about cognitive function. And let's be real, if you don't know what you did tonight, should you be anywhere near a driver's seat?
You don't even know what you did tonight, do you? Go take a seat. Go take a seat. Go take a seat. Go take a seat.
I'm standing. Can you figure out who the fuck is
I want you
getting
to
in my car?
get her to sit down somewhere.
Hey, have a.
Figure out who's getting in my car.
We're gonna figure it out. I just need you to sit on the wall, and then we'll figure that out.
Okay.
Right there. That's perfect. Right there.
Okay. I'm happy you're happy.
No, we just want to make sure,
Figure out who's
ma'am,
getting in my car.
we just want to make sure you're okay, alright? That's all it is. You know, you don't have to get upset. I'm grateful that you're okay, alright?
Who the
Do you-
fuck's getting in my car?
Huh?
Thank you.
What happened?
Who the fuck is getting in my car?
Is what? That's part.
I'm not sure. Can you say it slowly?
Who the fuck is getting in my car?
The tow company.
More likely, yeah.
Yeah, you can't drive that. The engine's out.
Are you like standing up right now?
We got to do a couple of things, ma'am, okay? Let us investigate, and then we'll go from there, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to investigate for a DUI, and then I'm not sure if she's gonna refuse or not, but she is already refusing you guys.
Okay.
So, but once we arrest her for DUI, if it comes to that, then we're gonna transport her to the hospital no matter what.
You guys are going to
Yeah, we'll transport her to the hospital once she gets arrested, if it comes to that point.
Okay. All right. So I'm good to clear my
Yeah.
unit.
Yeah, I appreciate you guys.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Emma, this is the last time I'm going to ask if you want to take an ambulance ride to the hospital, okay? All right, so I just want to inform you that we have completed our crash investigation and we're moving on to an investigation into drunk driving.
This is the official turning point. The officer clearly states this is now a criminal DUI investigation. That's huge. At this moment, Emma's rights, obligations, and potential consequences all change. The presence of a half-full Corona bottle directly contradicts her claim of having 0 drinks, and contradictions like this can carry serious legal weight. So ask yourself, was this a lapse in judgment or an attempt to control the narrative before the facts caught up?
Okay? This is a criminal investigation at this point. You understand that? Okay. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is ask you how many drinks you've had tonight. You've had 0? Who was drinking the Corona? Oh, there's a Corona there.
There is?
Mm-hmm.
Is it a bottle cap or a whole bottle?
It's a half full bottle.
Nice.
Well, he's
Alright, come on, Emma. Stand up. Grab my hand. Alright, hold on. We're going to walk over here. We're going to go under the light at this gas station, and we're going to start field sobriety tests. We're going to use this area here real quick. Yeah, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Let's actually move. Let's move over here. There's a little more light.
Alright, let's go right over here.
All right, are you good? You want to do it? Whatever
That's
you want.
fine.
Okay.
So we're going to do a series of tests, okay? We're going to check your eyes. Do you consent to these tests? You do? Okay. Alright. Alright. Do you see my pen? Do you see my pen right in front of you? Do you see the tip of it right here where my finger is? Okay, this is what I need you to do. I need you to keep your hands by your side. I need you to stare at the tip of this pen, and you're going to follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. Do you understand that? Okay.
Contact them. They want to contact the county.
Okay, that was the first test. The next test is going to be a walk and turn. Okay, you're going to need to walk in a straight line. Do you have anything with your injuries, with your legs, anything that would prevent you from walking in a straight line? Okay, all right. I'm going to have you take a few steps over here. Over here. Over here, Emma. Just right over here. Yep. Well,
All right,
Emma, stop. Face me. On this line. Stop right there. Okay. On this line, I want you to put your left foot and then your right foot right in front of it, heel to toe. Can you do that for me, just like I'm doing? Let's start over, because I want you to start on the line, okay? Yeah, right. Left foot on the line. Huh? Right foot, heel to toe. Can you do that for me? Okay. Stay on like that and don't start until I tell you to start, okay? Try one more time. Heel to toe. Heel to toe. Stand like that and don't move. Don't start until I tell you to start. This is what I'm going to need you to do. Keeping your hands by your side, you're going to take a series of steps. You're going to take 9 steps down and 9 steps back. Okay, it's going to look like this. It's going to be heel to toe, and you're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3. You're going to go all the way down to 9. When you get there, you're going to take a series of small steps to turn around, and then you're going to go back. 1, 2, 3, all the way to 9. Do you understand those directions? Okay, you can start.
Tell him. Are you getting it?
Huh?
Are you missed every step?
Every step.
So every
Yeah.
time fell backwards on
Yeah.
the second step.
How many steps did you count that way?
That was like, I think that was like 11 steps. That
This
one.
was like, yeah.
Yeah.
This one was extra as well. Would you even go to one leg stand at this point?
Field sobriety tests aren't about perfection. They're about indicators. Missing steps, losing balance, starting too early, or failing to follow instructions all stack up. Here, officers even debate whether it's safe to continue because of fall risk, which ironically strengthens probable cause. When law enforcement worries more about your safety than your performance, that's telling. Would you have kept testing, or does this already paint a clear enough picture?
I can.
I'm concerned she's going to fall over.
Yeah, that's the thing. So if you feel comfortable doing it, if you want, I can direct her to do it. It's totally up to you.
I can tell her.
Okay, yeah.
Emma, step forward here, please.
If she starts getting squirrely, just say, hey, yeah.
Couple more steps. Couple more steps. Couple more. Okay. The next one is a one-leg stand, okay? Just like you're standing here, side by side, stay like this until I tell you to start. When I tell you to start, you're going to raise your right, whichever foot you want. Your left or your right, you're going to raise one foot up about 6 inches, foot flat, as if you're stepping on a Coke can, okay? And you're going to count like this: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, and you're going to continue until I tell you to stop. Do you understand that direction? Okay. Stay until I tell you to start. Okay. You can begin. You have to count out loud.
Yeah.
Okay, okay, Emma, we're all done.
Have
Okay.
you ever done LOC?
Huh?
Have you ever done LOC? I can show you.
LOC? No.
Yeah,
Go
here, I'll
ahead.
show you real quick. Just so you know, I mean, it's just training. So, hey, Emma, so what I want you to do, you see the tip of my finger, okay? You see the tip of it? Okay. I want you to follow the tip of the finger and the tip of the finger only. Do you understand that? Okay, so come over here behind me. No, not you. Yep, just stand right there, okay? You're doing good. All right, just go ahead and follow that. Best you can, okay? There you go.
So, I'm sure you'll see the inspector and let me know the outcome.
See what no lack of difference. Yeah, so
As in, like, the,
so that means
yeah.
that there's a high amount of presence on there.
Of what?
Depressant. So, ETOH.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. No problem.
All right. Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'll call it out.
Okay.
Hey, Emma,
Put your
at
hands
this
behind your back, please.
Emma, at this point,
You're
at
under
this
arrest.
point, you're under arrest for suspected DUI. You
Okay.
understand that?
At this point, you're under arrest. That sentence doesn't come lightly. This decision is based on cumulative evidence: the crash severity, physical behavior, failed sobriety tests, and inconsistencies in her statements. Transporting her to the hospital isn't optional. It's both medical protocol and legal protection for everyone involved. This isn't punishment yet, it's procedure. But make no mistake, the legal consequences are already in motion. Could this outcome have been avoided earlier?
318. You show 110. I mean, I can actually. Yeah, smooth swings. What's that?
You're not gonna check with me.
We are. You're going to go to the hospital. Because we care about you, and we need to get you checked out because you hit a building. That's
Why-
what, you know what I'm saying? We have to do that for you. Because we,
After fucking 20, like 30 fucking minutes? No.
yeah, we have to. You know what the onset of pain is?
After 30 fucking minutes? I
No,
don't think
it's
it
not.
matters.
No, it does matter. It does matter. I'm not a medical professional. You're not a medical. We don't know if you might have a broken rib, for all we know. No, it's not. It's not cool. We want to do this for you. We have to do it for you. Okay?
Do you want? I'm gonna sit her here,
Sure.
or whatever, against my cruiser or something,
Yeah.
while you go and get your car,
I got
rather than walk her all the way over there.
Okay.
All right, come on, Emma.
Yeah, she should be good. It's a pretty little area.
Yeah, she can fit in there.
Yeah. Emma, come on. Just have a seat, okay? It's not a hard seat. It's a nice, soft leather seat, okay? All right. We care about you. We want to get you checked out, all right?
Do you have my purse?
Yeah, I'll go get it. I'll
I
get
have-
your purse.
So I have
You
her
have
ID.
it?
For what?
Her purse? I'll go get her
It's on the
purse.
building.
Yeah, I'll go get it.
As a matter of fact, yeah, let's get that now.
Yep.
Because, are you going to be going to the jail?
This case is a textbook example of how quickly a single decision can unravel into criminal charges. A major crash, clear behavioral red flags, failed sobriety tests, and ultimately an arrest for suspected DUI. Every step followed established legal protocol. Beyond the immediate charges, cases like this often carry long-term consequences: license suspension, financial liability for property damage, and lasting criminal records. If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns.